In this video, I will show you how to register on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. This exchange is one of the best at the moment. You can also get 2 bonuses to choose from. The first bonus is a $100 deposit, or the second bonus is a permanent 20% discount. It will apply to all fees and transactions on the Binance exchange. So let's get started. I'll leave 2 links in the description below the video. These links are with my referral code, because I have been listed on the stock exchange for a very long time, and I can provide you with these bonuses. Only through these links you can get bonuses. Choose what you like. If you choose to register on the first link to get $100, then a prerequisite for receiving this bonus is replenishment of your cryptocurrency wallet in the amount of more than $50. This must be done within 14 days. If you do not fund your Binance account within 14 days, then you will not receive the bonus. The second bonus link to choose from is 20% commission on all trades on the Binance exchange. This bonus does not require special conditions or account replenishment. A 20% commission bonus will be available immediately after registration, and he always works. This is the maximum commission discount you can get. If you are unable to fund your account with more than $50 within 14 days to receive a $100 bonus, then I recommend that you follow the second link for a 20% discount and start signing up. Click on the button to register using email or phone. Choose how to register, by email or by phone number. After that, come up with a password. It must comply with the password conditions on the Binance exchange. And the third point, check your referral ID. To receive a $100 bonus, it should look like this. For a 20% commission bonus, it looks like this. Below is also a notice about receiving a 20% commission discount. After that, accept the terms and click Create an account. After that, a confirmation code will be sent to your email. You need to enter it and continue. Now you need to verify your account. It will take you no more than 7 minutes. For each country there is separate information and documents that must be provided for verification. Enter your real data, because this data needs to be confirmed. At the end, you need to take a selfie and send a photo. Verification is required in order for you to be able to buy and fund your account. You can abort verification if you can't pass it right away. After that, to return to verification, you need to go to the main menu and select identification there. You can continue it at any time, but in order to receive bonuses, I recommend passing verification within 7 days. After verification is completed, you will have access to trading and all the functions of the Binance exchange. To protect your account, select the security section. There you can enable additional account security features, but I only connected phone and email. To log into my account, I will need to enter a code from my phone and email. Registration completed. Now I will show you how to replenish your account. You will need this if you want to receive a $100 bonus from the referral program, or just to buy and invest in cryptocurrency. To replenish your account, hover over the top Buy Crypto button. There you will see 3 ways to fund your account. The first way is the easiest. You can replenish your account with a regular bank card. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. After that, select the currency of the bank card, for example, dollars. If your currency is not in the list, then the amount will be deducted from the card at the dollar rate. The minimum purchase or top-up amount is $15. This method is very simple and very fast. The second way to fund your account is P2P Trading. It works like a regular exchange, because real people trade there. Here you always buy USDT. USDT is a dollar on the Binance exchange. USDT can buy any cryptocurrency. To do this, go to the trade section and then to spot. The minimum purchase amount through spot is $5. Also, through P2P, you can replenish your account in the currency of your country. The minimum deposit amount is $10. This method supports a lot of payment options. It is perfect for those who do not have money on the card but have something else, for example, a Wise account. I will talk about this method in detail in the next videos on the channel. And the third method of replenishment is replenishment through other financial systems that work with the Binance exchange. I always use the P2P method because it is very cheap and almost no commission. And the minimum purchase amount of $5 makes it possible to buy many different altcoins by spending the minimum amount. You can also get additional bonuses on the Binance exchange. Go to the Task Center section. There you can get bonuses, $10 or $20 for very simple tasks, which are performed while working on the exchange. That's all. I've covered the main points in this video. I will show additional ways to earn money or instructions in the next video. So please subscribe to the channel and put like. Thank you all for watching.